अगर आपने साल का 300 डेज 6-7 आवर्स का स्टडी किया है ढंग से, मैक्सिमम 2 अटेम्प्ट्स में आपका निकलना चाहिए। फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट है, इट्स ओके नॉट टू क्वालिफाई टाइप्स, आपने अपने आप को समझा लिया है। लाइफ में आप लोग को रिस्क लेना चाहिए, but there's also a pragmatic way beyond which it becomes an obsession, which is not good. So one big problem with your preparation is you run after 4-5 institutes. अलग-अलग philosophy होता है, अलग-अलग timing होता है। अब तो आप कोविड रो नहीं सकते ना, it's over now. हम चाहेंगे कि आपके कोहोर्ट में nobody must go beyond 24 का टारगेट। My suggestion to all of you is it's like almost like a dream project for me. All of you, जो जून बैच से हैं खासकर, and even after that also, all those who joined me till August, September, आप लोग कहीं ना कहीं ये मन गांठ बांध लीजिए, you have to qualify in 2024. Okay, make it like a mission for you. Others who joined me late, maybe okay, December, January, November, I will not say it's impossible, but there are always challenges there. Okay, but all the others, because आपका okay, I think January तक खत्म हुआ है timely. Most of you have done your GS, whatever way you have done. Okay, you have clean January का आधा, Feb, March, April, and even half of May for that matter. That is a lot of time. Unless you have totally ignored the studies, not done the classes, not written notes, which I doubt the issue with most of you. Like, I know, bhatak jata hai aadmi, you are confused sometimes, but when you start from June, July, September onwards, okay, I don't think that excuse is valid. You must go for 23, okay, and all the others, 24 should be your attempt. हम चाहेंगे कि आपके कोहोर्ट में nobody must go beyond 24 का टारगेट। 23 definitely go for a good try, others 24 तो आप पक्का मान के चलो, you should be there। ठीक है, तो this is the first part where you start accepting this possibility. I've been meeting students, खत्म हो रहा है तो 2-3 of you come to me every day in some way or the other, and the general trend I see in your mentality is सब पहला अटेम्प्ट है, ट्रायल ही देते हैं। फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट है, इट्स ओके नॉट टू क्वालिफाई टाइप्स, आपने अपने आप को समझा लिया है। डोंट डू दिस। Okay, 1.5 years, 1 year is a long time to organize your studies, to get all the work done. Okay, so I will want that you work with a mission approach. Okay, call it your IAS 2023 or IAS 2024. Because देखो, despite the fact that yes, life में आप लोग को risk लेना चाहिए, but there's also a pragmatic way beyond which it becomes an obsession, which is not good. Okay, so 2-3 साल means 2 attempts. Or maybe worst case 3 attempts. इसके beyond नहीं होना चाहिए आपका। Okay, there are people who qualify 4th attempt में and 6th attempt में, but let's not target like that. Most of you come from a good education background. Okay, आपके अलग skills हैं, and देखो क्या हो रहा है ना कि अगर आप 2nd, 3rd attempts में pre भी नहीं निकाल पा रहे हो ना, then there's a major problem in the way you have studied. और अगर 4th attempt में प्री निकाल भी लेते हो, your mains has been cleaned up already. आप खुद देखो, despite the fact that we are pushing your classes almost every day, okay, insisting, okay, आप फिर भी okay, भूल जाते हो, you're forgetting, you're struggling with synopsis. So think about कि आपने 4-5 साल प्री करके इतना okay, obsessed हो गए हो, mains is gone, answer writing is over. Even if you clear the 4th attempt pre में, it's not that okay, you are good enough for the mains. इसीलिए my suggestion to all of you is work with a mission approach. If you trust me on this, believe me, अगर आपने साल का 300 days on an average 6-7 आवर्स का स्टडी किया है ढंग से, ओके, मैक्सिमम 2 अटेम्प्ट्स में आपका निकलना चाहिए. If you have started 1.5 years before your exams of the prelims, which most of you have. So आपको करना क्या है? आपको 4-5 चीजें करनी है. And somewhere I want that you remain, okay, associated with us. Okay, which is you must consolidate your notes. और हम चाहेंगे दिस कंसोलिडेशन हैपेंस राइट नाउ. इसको मत रखना बात के लिए. ओके, इन नेक्स्ट 10 days टाइम मे बी गिविंग 2 or 3 hours पर डे. व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय कंसोलिडेशन? सारा नोट्स का एक इंडेक्स बना लो. यू मस्ट हैव एन इंडेक्स ऑफ योर नोट्स. मैप द इंडेक्स विथ योर सिलेबस. And from my side, those who are walking out from June batch, I will give an Excel sheet to you. Topic by topic, हमने क्या-क्या complete किया है. There will always be 3-4 topics, 5-6 topics, which ऐसे अपने आप पढ़ लो या current affairs हैं. Okay, look at the notes and जिसको issues हैं about okay the time that we take. It's because we want as much coverage as possible. The type of examination questions you have, आप कोई टॉपिक छोड़ नहीं सकते. प्रॉब्लम ये है. एग्रोक्लाइमेटिक रीजनलाइजेशन, आई कैन टीच दिस इन हाफ एन आवर. हम बेसिस बताएंगे नहीं आपको, ना किताब मिलेगा आपको. आई कैन सिंपली से वन टाइप ऑफ प्लानिंग, 15 रीजन्स, नाम लिख लो, और किताब का ये पेज है, 15 मिनट में खत्म कर देना है मुझे. बट द डिस्कशन, द बेसिस, ओके, यू ड्रॉइंग द मैप, दैट टेक्स टाइम. सो योर फोकस शुड बी कंसोलिडेट. आप जान तो लो ना कि कहां पर क्या लिखा हुआ है. बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ टॉपिक्स आई हैव टॉट व्हाइल आई एम ओवरलैपिंग. ओके, सो आपके पास इंडेक्स होना चाहिए व्हाट ऑल यू हैव कवर्ड. प्लस अगर आप एब्सेंट थे, मैनेज द नोट्स फ्रॉम योर फ्रेंड्स और फ्रॉम आवर क्लास नोट्स. ओके, यू प्लीज मेक योर समरीज. अब समरीज जो है सारा खत्म नहीं होगा, आई नो दैट, बिकॉज आप प्रीलिम्स दे रहे हो सम ऑफ यू. बट जितना कर पाओ, एटलीस्ट समरीज रिलेटेड टू योर प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन, वो कर लो. सो फॉरगेट ज्योग्राफिकल थॉट, फॉरगेट मॉडर्न थ्योरीज, ओके, फॉरगेट टॉपिक्स ऑफ पॉलिटिकल ज्योग्राफी एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, छोड़ दो आप. बट यू कैन डू समरीज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, समरीज ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेज, समरीज ऑफ इंडियन फिजियोग्राफी, समरीज रिलेटेड टू क्लाइमेटोलॉजी. वो तो कर ही सकते हो आप लोग. डू दैट. ओके, दिस विल एंश्योर यू हैव अ सेंस ऑफ कंट्रोल. You have a sense of control. This will take you 2 or 3 hours, okay, per day for the next 1 week, 10 days. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए what all is where. The second, you all have been given model answers across topics. And we deliberately have not given the difficult type of questions because ये आपका foundation course है. Foundation course में there's only one level I can do. But many of you, and I must say it was smartly done, you have finished your enrichment also. वो एक बहुत बड़ा advantage है. I cannot tell you, I mean, you learn to appreciate afterwards probably, कि आप month of January 2023 में, आपका mains, prelims 2023 में, आपने 5 महीने पहले geography clean and dusted. Okay. ताकि प्रीलिम्स के बाद में you only memorize, nothing else. So what happens to all of you is, okay, this is for those giving a prelims this year. What happens is, मुझे पता है you start out from July 2022 and you are struggling with GS and current affairs and geography. Okay, जनवरी तक आपने पढ़ाई किया है, आपका enrichment भी some of you are doing. Okay. And the next 4 months you spend for prelims. By the time prelims gets over, मुझे पता है आप बहुत कुछ यहां भूल चुके होंगे. You need a momentum run. All those who have been part of our enrichment program, okay, we run a program here just before the mains. We call this as MSP, Main Support Program, जिसमें कि tests होते हैं, Okay, and quick updations hota hai. It's basically enrichment program, but in a very fast-tracked way, plus keeping the mains requirements in mind. Okay, this generally is helpful for students who have done the course 2 or 3 years ago. Okay, but as a part of supporting you, okay, जिसने भी enrichment join किया हुआ है, you automatically will be given this also, ताकि for the 2 months आपका revision हो जाए. Okay, so we'll add some more questions. You can give your test, and I've given a freedom also. जिसको अभी test नहीं देना है, आप तब दे देना tests. Okay, so that ways I want your mains to go well. So geography के perspective से, okay, you go easy now. You have done a hard work, you have struggled, you have worked through it. Okay, and okay, we'll see how we can support you otherwise also here. हम तो चाहेंगे stay with us. Ethics courses हैं. You have your essays program, current affairs sessions, updations हैं. Okay, so one big problem with your preparation is, like मैंने पहले बताया आप लोगों को, you run after 4 or 5 institutes. Like अलग-अलग philosophy होता है, अलग-अलग timing होता है. So converge at one place. And for geography students, I say one place has to be us. Stay with us, practice answers. Okay. और ये भी मैंने कहा है, those giving prelims this time, if you want support in GS, okay, go and be in the class. आप बैठ के revise करो. क्योंकि मुझे ये भी पता है, why? Because when you start off the GS, आपको GS समझने में लगता है 4 or 5 months. कि अच्छा, this is GS. So पहली बार में very few people get a hang of what the GS is. And by the time you understand, half the course is over. So अगर आपको revision करना है, आके बैठ जाओ सुबह. Okay, we will not stop you there. बैठे आप. So if you are keen, those giving 2023 examination, let us know and be part of it. Like I said, I will do whatever I can to ensure results. Okay, and be with us, revise with us. Our team is there. Okay, but all of you, please go by this, that you have to clear as a part of your mission. हर बार, every year, failing, coming back. आपके क्लास में 2-3 बच्चे हैं who started preparation 2018 में, okay, 19 में, and it's already now 3-4 years. It's not worth it, guys. ये अच्छा बात है, कोई चीज में लगे आप. But the problem is, you must know where to draw a line and move on in life. ठीक है, कोविड था, आप डिस्टर्ब हो गए थे, and all the distractions. I understand, everybody disrupted. अब तो आप कोविड रो नहीं सकते ना. It's over now. So work with that kind of intention. Okay, you'll not find us not supporting you guys. Okay, and one more thing, all of you, कि एक mindset change के part में, you must develop the analytical skills. What is part of applied study? आपको मैंने दिखाया demonstration right now. I'm asking a program's name, जो GS का program है. You have not got hang of the exact focus क्या है. And I can twist the question वहीं पर ही. Who launched it, for what objectives, and what is being done. So एक applied approach चाहिए आपको. To talk about farmers' problems and what solutions, फिर आप बताओ ना, so and so program directed towards maybe taking care of exploitation by money lenders. और नाम बताओ program का. The question is on energy security, linked with PM Kusum, who I already stopped there. Question is on water management, bring it towards, okay, your Pradhan Mantri Sinchai Yojana, micro irrigation funds. So in analytical, एक बहुत important skill है, the skill of interlinking topics. ये तब तक नहीं होगा till your summaries are done and memorized. Till it's all in your mind, you can't interlink things. और सारे questions demand the ability of interconnections, interlinkages. So whenever you're studying anything, आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है. So somewhere on your table, on your wall, okay, you write this objective of your mission and sound brash. Okay, let it sound like Okay, for some people it might sound like overconfidence. So be it. आप टारगेट ये रखो कि इससे मुझे हिलना नहीं है, इससे मुझे हिलना नहीं है. 24 वाले तो आप तो बिल्कुल भी बात नहीं करें anything beyond 24. Go after that one and somewhere keep telling yourself that this is important skill you'll acquire. The analytical approach and the applied approach.